Are you sick of having your drains or sewer line rotted and having to pay a plumber every 6 months to come clear it out? Hydrojetting is a long-lasting solution to the problem of drain obstructions and tree roots intruding into sewer lines. We have a state-of-the-art high-pressure water jetter that cleans out grease, sludge, tree roots, or any other blockages in your pipes. While rotting only pokes a hole in a clog, water jetting cleans out the entire surface of the pipe. We're trained experts in sewers, drains, and septic systems. We'll stop your problem at its source and keep your home safe. To get a better view of what's going on, our technicians can do an in-pipe camera inspection. If your drain is blocked and causing issues, emergency service is available. Give us a call today. We'll get there fast.